All right, I have spent a few days trimming out the back room, the new addition here, replacement back room, with the new skirt board at the bottom, the new freeze board at the top to match the old parts of the house, window trim, a new drip edge in places where there's a break in the siding. So I'm ready for the siding, which has been bought and paid for but hasn't arrived yet. All right, the siding's here. Let's see what a difference we can make now. My siding boards are 16 feet long, so for the greatest efficiency I'm doing the largest areas first. So this is 18.5 feet across here. Over on this side, that area is 16 feet plus a couple of inches. Then I'm doing the 10-foot sections, and today I'm doing the 3-foot sections here and over here, and ending up with virtually no waste, ending up with 6 inches or even smaller. If I have 4-inch pieces left, I'll be able to replace some of these that are split out. And actually nothing will be wasted because the scraps will be campfire wood. Well, I have just run out of siding, and I have yet to finish up the low gable, and then still have to finish the upstairs gable. So I'll be heading up for more siding. I've been taking a few days off from the siding job to build a table for my sister. She asked for this last year, 10 feet long. Okay, I went and got more siding and finished the lower gable. What's left is the high gable. All right, but I have to build a window first because windows come before siding. I got this all the way from peak to peak, but this area down here I have to work kind of backwards, top to bottom, and it'll work. Well, I am trying to make my own fish scale siding, sort of like scallop siding. Putting a V-notch every 5 inches, and I think it might work. I think I like it. It's just like up in the gables at our old house across the street. All right, I have finished the siding installation on the newly reconstructed old bedroom wing of the house. And I've gone back and redone the old gable. And what's left is a couple of repairs, like up here. So I'm going to go on up and repair that and then be done with the siding, and then of course back to paint. I have actually enjoyed installing the siding. There's I don't know, something very motivating about it. Usually by this time in August I am suffering the summer slump. Lack of motivation and energy that comes with the dog days of summer and the high temperatures and high humidity in Michigan. But this year I'm not having that, so yeah, I guess. Or maybe it's because I've had a couple of breaks. I took a week off to build that table for my sister and then deliver it to a family reunion at her place, my mom's 98th birthday, which was fun. And then I also took a few days off to go camping with the kids and the grandkids, something we do every summer. It rained a lot. You know how some people go to the lake for vacation? Well, we went to the woods for a vacation and the lake came to us. It rained so hard our campsite turned into a lake. Anyway, still fun. I think I'm just going to tear these short pieces out and replace them with a little bit of siding I have left, because it would actually take longer to scrape the paint off of them, and several of them are cracked anyway. I think this is the last of the siding work. Yay. I've had the caulk gun going a little bit, sealing up some of the corners and joints and seams and stuff.